Here's the Subaru Outback. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the hatch. Now it's the exact same process for the left and right side. I'm just going to show you on the right side. You will need a small flathead screwdriver for this job to put it right over there in that little slot there to get this cover off. Once you get it up a little bit, shove the screwdriver in all the way and then just pull it down. That's going to help you get this cover off because there's a few clips that you're holding it in place. Get it in and then pull it down and it comes off. That's the bulb holder for the reverse light. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it and it comes right out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle it a little bit, but it'll come right out. The bulb number is 921. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then simply push it down back in the bulb holder to secure it. And when you're putting it back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in, so be patient. Once it drops in just like this, good. At this point, just twist your right to lock it and you're done. And this cover goes in the way I'm showing. See this side with the 3 clips, it goes in first. Line it up the way I'm showing and then press the other side down to engage all the clips, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.